Welcome to the Stoic Tide. Most men think attraction is about saying the right thing, doing the right thing, or buying the right gift. They chase approval through gestures and words, not realizing that the women who truly become captivated by a man don't fall for what he gives, but for how he makes them feel. They become addicted not to his attention, but to his presence. That kind of connection isn't built through rehearsed lines. It's built through energy, awareness, and the way you make her see herself differently when she's around you. There are 3 compliments every man should master if he wants to create that kind of impact. Not empty praise, but reflections that make her feel seen, understood, and inspired. The first is what I call the mirror compliment. Most men tell a woman she's beautiful, but beauty has been noticed her whole life. What she rarely feels is seen. The mirror compliment isn't about describing her. It's about reflecting her essence back to her. When she speaks about something that excites her, most people barely notice, but you do. You look at her and say, "I like how your energy changes when you talk about what you love." It's simple, but it's real. You're not complimenting her appearance, you're acknowledging her presence. That's what makes it powerful. When she's with you, she feels recognized in a way she rarely experiences. You become the mirror that shows her best self. She'll remember how you made her feel understood long after she forgets the exact words. The second is the emotional echo compliment. This one goes deeper. It's about matching her emotional frequency. When she tells you about her struggles, most men respond with logic or quick reassurance. But the man who understands connection listens beyond her words. He hears the emotion beneath them and mirrors it back gently. She says, "I feel like no one notices how hard I try." And instead of fixing it, you say, "You just want to feel appreciated for everything you're giving, don't you?" That moment hits her deeper than any compliment ever could, because it tells her you don't just hear her, you feel her. Emotional echo builds trust, and trust builds attraction. It's how you create emotional safety, and emotional safety is the foundation of devotion. What makes this work isn't manipulation, it's presence. You can't fake this kind of depth. It only comes from being fully there, grounded, listening, without an agenda. That's masculine power, the calm energy that makes her relax, that makes her laugh differently, that makes her feel safe to open up. You become her peace in a world full of noise. That's when she starts associating you with comfort, trust, and warmth. You don't have to chase her. She'll naturally gravitate toward the place where she feels most at ease. Your presence. Then comes the final and most powerful compliment, the future vision compliment. The mirror made her feel seen. The emotional echo made her feel understood. But the future vision makes her feel inspired. Every woman wants to be believed in for who she's becoming, not just admired for who she is now. When she tells you her dreams or her struggles, most men give shallow encouragement, but you go deeper. You say, "You know what? I can actually see you doing that. You've got that kind of drive most people just talk about." That one sentence shifts everything. You're not flattering her, you're believing in her. And when you believe in someone, you awaken something powerful inside them. She starts to associate you with possibility, with growth. She feels like a better version of herself when she's around you, and that's the feeling she'll chase. This is where real attraction lives, not in desire, but in evolution. A woman might be drawn to your looks, your humor, or your confidence, but what makes her stay is how you make her feel about herself. When she feels that you see not only her beauty, but her potential, she starts to imagine a life where she could become the version of herself that she's always wanted to be. And you were part of that picture. That's leadership. That's emotional intelligence wrapped in masculine energy. You're not fixing her or saving her. You're reflecting her strength back to her when she forgets it. You become the calm voice in her storm. The man who says, "You're not lost. You're just outgrowing what no longer fits." This kind of connection doesn't come from tactics or tricks. It comes from character. From being a man who listens, who feels deeply, and who lives with purpose. The more grounded you become, the more naturally you'll give compliments that carry weight. The mirror makes her feel seen. The echo makes her feel safe. The vision makes her feel alive. Together they form the foundation of irresistible masculine presence. the kind that leaves a lasting mark on her memory. So stop chasing her attention. Stop trying to prove yourself. Let your energy speak louder than your words. Be the man who makes her stop and think, he's different. Because in a world full of men who talk, the one who truly understands her doesn't need to say much at all. She'll feel it. She'll replay your words. She'll remember the way you looked at her when you said something that reached deeper than surface-level praise. And in that moment, you'll realize, attraction isn't built through desire. It's built through depth, through stillness, through the kind of energy that doesn't just make her want you, it makes her respect you. When you master these three compliments, you'll never need to perform or chase again. You'll become the kind of man who naturally draws people in, not because you're trying, but because you embody strength, awareness, and peace. The man who doesn't just make her feel wanted, but makes her feel understood. The man who doesn't just make her feel special, but makes her feel seen. And the man who doesn't just make her feel loved, but makes her feel limitless. That's the kind of man she'll never forget. That's the kind of man she'll think about all night. If this resonates, you please hit like and subscribe for more insights, and I would like to hear your thoughts about it in the comments below.